Today, we're going to look at how credit card debt can become a long term financial trap. Let's say you have a $5,000 credit card balance with a typical interest rate of 18% APR. Most credit cards require a minimum monthly payment of around 2 to 4% of the balance. Let's assume a 3% minimum payment on your $5,000 balance. That means your initial minimum payment would be $150 per month. Here's where the trap begins. At 18% APR, you're paying 1.5% interest per month. That's $75 in interest in the first month alone. So out of your $150 payment, half goes just to interest. If you only make minimum payments, it will take approximately 9 years to pay off this debt. And the total amount you'll pay? Over $9,000. That's more than $4,000 in interest alone. Here's how to avoid this trap. First, stop using the card and adding new charges. Second, pay more than the minimum payment. If you can pay $300 instead of $150, you'll cut the payoff time to about 3 years and save over $2,000 in interest. Remember, credit cards can be useful tools, but carrying a balance can trap you in a cycle of debt that takes years to escape. Always try to pay more than the minimum, and if possible, pay your full balance each month.